Good morning. And
I love how it on the bottom
Black
right shows
Mesa
ammo.
Transit
I don't
System.
think I'm supposed to be
This
seeing that yet.
automated train comes
Oh, wait.
in the event of an emergency and await further instruction.
Don't you have more
If it is
important
necessary
things to be doing than...
exit a high-security train at the Central Transit Hub.
I think I
If you
broke
have
the
not
game
yet
again.
submitted, the time is 8:42 a.m.
Okay, safe to say he
Current
is
top
indestructible.
flight temperature
Oh!
is 91.
Going
Going to Central Transit Hub in
They're holding
all
hands.
times. Transfer to the Sector B
He's the
or
term.
C
Oh.
media of the Black Mesa Research Facility. Authorized visitors
What
only.
the witchcraft? How you doing? It keeps taking away my weapons. It keeps taking away my weapons. Hey. Oh, I just killed Gordon Freeman. The game's over. I killed Gordon Freeman.
Sorry about that, Calhoun. We've been having problems all... Hold on a minute.
Oh, I didn't get a game over. Don't kill that one, though. You can kill the one in the front. Nobody likes him. Improper handling of a firearm. I'm sorry, but when was the last time you called something like this a firearm?
Well, it's about time.
We don't pay you people to mosey around at your own convenience. Make this thing work so we can get on with this miserable... You guys aren't fazed by this at all? What? Is that me? What the fuck?
It's probably those anomalous materials people again. Oh,
Nope. Oh, had to, like, physically dodge that in real life. This could be a painting. Hold on. It's the struggle between addictions and sobriety. Speaks volumes. Yeah, that's some physics right there, boys. Look at that. I can't even hear you guys. The machinery is too loud. Gotta break those windows. Gotta move that gear up. Gear, box, gearbox. Get it? All right. Sorry.